pretty cool, isn't it?
It's very pretty.
Ava,
Yeah.
can you find somewhere to hang this, please?
Yep.
Alright, come on. We'll hang it on this guy.
Thank you.
Are you doing your hair? Or is that your hair done?
Yeah, that's my hair done.
Maybe do your hair before you put your barong on.
Okay, how do I do my hair?
Because you won't be able to move your arms once you put your barong on. How do you do your hair? I don't know. How do you do your hair?
I'll just use it how it usually is.
Yeah, so just do it. Just try and look handsome. Where'd your ironing board go?
Very nice. Can I go in closer?
Yeah.
Guys, you just got a haircut!
Just a little too short.
My mom's like, I really believed you. I thought I had to buy a beanie. Thank you. And then, thank you. You can. I was like, oh, I don't have a purse for the wedding. So I'm trying to look for one that would match my shoes. And then I sent her that. And she actually believed me. She was like, maybe not. I was like, oh, you actually believe me. You think that I'm that. Kapang din. My hair.
Yeah, it's perfect.
So what a beauty!
Looking down over here, this way, go first.
I'm a worker.
What else?
Do you have a bridesmaid or? Is that your
My
sister?
brothers.
Oh.
And they're just like, oh, I didn't even know that we had to do anything. That's so sweet. Should I have my flowers?
Oh yeah. Wait. And go for a hug. Oh, cute. Sweet. Yes. Cute. Beautiful, guys.
Beauty. Where's Tara?
Look at Ama. Wow, no, but his own wedding.
Ceremony.
Funny's drunk.
And I want to put shimmer on your chest to glow.
Where's Ethan?
What dress is amazing?
Because I've had a few glasses. I think so. Like when I saw him, he's just like, oh, I just got a haircut, I have to move rooms. I'm like, okay. My fat baby.
Things. They've always shared the same take on most things, the same energy. It lit a spark, and over time that spark became a fire. It became their protected, non-negotiable time together. Some of these dates have been ATV rides across sand dunes in Newcastle, slow winery afternoons, or some talks. They have loved being creative on these dates, squeezing time together amongst the busyness of life. In sass, and in their ability to escalate a silly moment. But time together really is precious. They love a full cuddle puddle on the couch, with the cats obviously, some elite level lounging and laughing at something completely ridiculous. Other times, it might be a little more bougie, like some oysters, wandering aimlessly with no plan, finding the best lunch, a sunset drink before dinner, and then tracking down a cool restaurant Garth is not known for his listening skills. She narrates life loudly and with passion. And Alex, you are about to marry your Garth. Kind, generous, gentle, love, respect and cherish the love.
Brain, your wit, your charm, your humor. Our lounge room picnics, late nights in playgrounds, our kitchen dances.
Because you asked me to, but because you're not follow or keep choosing. Today and always.
Amelia shall take you, Garth Welsh, to be my lawful wedded husband. My Garth, pins and lashes I have used on you. I wished for content. Love feels new and old at the same time. A love. Garth, I part in your eyes. I promise to love you in the most stupid and excellent way possible. The diary. You help me see myself in the truest light. You let me breathe and you give me room.
Box number 1.
Hi, Alex. Hey. Thanks for
Congratulations!
Congrats.
I must say congratulations!
Wow.
You know, we used to, you
Is that from
know,
the photographer?
Lex, hubog na ko. I cannot think of the house. Huh? What? Wait, you wanna go out ba daw? Hey!
Oh, the photographer handed it to you?
Yeah. Look, Lex, we like your food. Wee, hi, Marielle. She's here, by the way. Finally. She made it.
Congratulations. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's so nice to be here.
Yes. That's yummy food. Hi, Lex. Cheers. Congratulations on your wedding day. I love you. You already know that. Mwah. I'm gonna drink for you.
Cheerio. Hubog na, hubog na.
Hubog na.
He's an accountant by background.
How do you
Message for Alex.
I'm so happy for you. I hope that you have a great life with him. Just thank you so much for inviting me here. It's so wonderful to be here.
Yay!
Hi, Alex and Garth. Congratulations. Thanks for having us here. Best wishes. See you in Foster or Brisbane.
Really happy for you both. What an amazing venue in the best city in the world.
Oh, vaya.
Message for Alex and Garth.
Congratulations.
Woo! Okay, I'm gonna say congratulations.
Congrats, Alex.
Congratulations to you both.
Okay.
Wonderful. You guys are so funny.
Say hi to Alex and Garth. Which is just beside them.
Loving parents of Alex. Can I please kindly invite up Frederick and Maria to the front of the stage?
I Ate Baba Alex, please.
Body to body.
Booty, booty. Ikaw na may gusto. Don't say that out loud.
So here's Ava. She's making her speech right now.
Oh yeah, and I was talking like 10 minutes.
Yep, and here I am. Pretty sick fit. Yeah, we're at this sick restaurant, you know. That's Andy. And there's Derek.
I'm writing my speech now. I'm writing my speech with a pig. What's up? It says people say, "Go, Rai said I have to say a message on this." My message is that always do a speech at least a week before you sing the speech, because I'm saying it in 10 minutes and I'm doing it now. Okay, we have to find someone to film. Let's go get. Should we film my uncle? Yeah, let's go to Uncle Cameron. We need to pass on. Okay. Sorry. Uncle Cameron, I have to pass on it. I have to film. You have to say a message to the next person.
Oh, a message to the next
This is a guest camera. Say an inspiring quote.
An inspiring quote for the next person. Inspiring quote, did you say?
Sorry?
Did you say an inspiring quote?
Anything, just a message to the next
Okay,
person.
there's nothing